Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's right, Character Modeling Week 2. We're already a way in. We're taking a look at our character turnarounds and starting to create our character models in 3ds Max. So this is our first time we're actually going into 3D Studio Max. A lot of cool things. We're actually going to start modeling our characters this week, so it's going to be a lot of great things to talk about. So yeah, let's get into that, and let's talk about image planes a little bit. So image planes are really just the base form in 3ds Max, and everything kind of goes with it. So just give everybody a heads up. I put your rubrics on the announcements. I also put anything else tied to that as well. I'll take a look at your grades as soon as possible. And yeah, let's get into your assignments and talk about image planes. So yeah, the program we're using a 3ds Max 2021. I think it's actually gone to 2022 version. I need to update this image a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely gone to that version. So yeah, we're going to be using 3ds Max for this course. Now, a question we're going to be really utilizing is what are image planes? And these are just the base planes that really how we build a model. And in 3D computer graphics, the image plane is the plane in which the world is identified with the plane of the display monitor used to view that image that is being rendered. It's also known as screen space. It's like taking a photo but using a screen to lay out the image like in a film, and then we can use multiple image planes to develop something massive. This establishes the mapping between pixels on the monitor points, or rather rays, in the 3D world. A plane is not actually a 3D screen, but instead it's usually a collection of target coordinates or dimensions that create a rendered space. It's really cool actually, and then you can like combine these to develop even something else further and really map them to develop a custom image or a model or even just however you want to build it. It's really impressive. And by doing this, you can use an image plane to create a reference image, and this is going to help you start your character. So one way you want to do it is create a plane, drag it to the desired size, and always use the coordinates as 0, 0, 0 to base it off of, and rotate it to the front view. And then one important fact to know is match the ratio of dimensions of the plane to the image and to the size of the character that you want to create. 1:1 works great, and if not, distortion will occur. This is great to have for like those style of... Man, I'm having a brain fart right now. I'm so sorry. But it just really helps to frame your model so that you have a reference as to how tall this character should be, how heavy it should be, how lanky, how long, how just expressive. Everything's there, so you have a reference image right there, so you can build it from that point. And then once you have your reference image, all you have to do is just add the image onto the plane. So all you have to do is just open the material editor, keyboard shortcut M, and then check the bitmap and find your saved image in the files. All you have to do is just save it in the material editor and just drag it onto the plane. It'll just pop out right there. Just make sure to click the view image texture button to see it on the plane. It should be like the fourth icon from the right, and it should pop out real great. Other than that, that's just setting up a reference image and how that makes it really awesome. So let's go over your due dates and assignments and go from there. Okay? All right. So let's take a look at your assignments this week. So you have 2 assignments. You have discussion post, and then your character bust is assigned. So for this week, I want you to really let's go through the assignment themselves real quick. We'll go from there this week. So. Discussion this week. So it's really interesting. We're going to talk about scientifically striking features, and it's really we're going to talk about beauty and how beauty has been like formed into its own mathematical ratio. It's really interesting, and they call it phi, the golden ratio. And over time, Marquardt and the beauty group over there created the Marquardt Beauty Analysis Mask, and all you have to do is just place this mask over somebody's face, and you can try to determine if they're beautiful or not. It's really oddly subjective and also kind of stereotypical at the same time, but you can download this mask, and what you want to do is download the mask, and you're going to find an image of a very gorgeous person in your opinion and a very unattractive person in your opinion, and you're going to put the mask over this and then put it on your discussion post. And then what I would like you to do for your discussion is within the rubric this week. So I have the rubrics posted right here. That's the character bust right there. Hang on a second. So what I want you to do is you're going to find a beautiful image, and you're going to put this map on top of that beautiful person's image, and then I want you to explain why it works with the golden ratio and why this character fits this mask really well. And give examples, give details. Please be thorough in your examples, and please bring back why this person fits the golden mask and the number really well. And then you're going to take a paragraph and explain why the non-beautiful NBA example doesn't fit the mask, and what are the examples to show that it doesn't fit. And please be in detail in there. And then for your reply post, I'd like you to reply to your fellow students as best as possible. And please, if you agree with them, disagree with them, please give feedback as to why you agree with them, disagree with them with reasoning, and go with there. And that's what I'm going to be looking for in your discussion. Now, keep in mind, your initial discussion post due on Tuesday this week, not Saturday. So from here on out, initial posts are due on Tuesday, not Saturday. So only reply posts on Saturday, and that's it. And then for your project assignment, you're going to go into 3ds Max and start the character head and the character bus. So I just want you to focus on the character head. That's it. Now note, I'm not looking for the full character head. I'm looking for about like 33% complete. So probably the model blocked out. No eyes, no ears, no nose, no hair, nothing. Just the head itself. Like just started and like around 33% I'm looking at right there. Like no facial features whatsoever. Just the overall head model, and that's it. I'd like to see that. I want to see a front model and a side view. Don't worry about turning in the 3DX file for me this week. Eventually I want to see it as we get further toward like animation and rigging. But for this week, I just want to see a rendered image of your front view of your character and a side view of your character, and that's it. And I want to see your progress. That's pretty much what I want to see right now. And then I want to give some feedback as possible. So that's what I'm looking at for week 1. Just about 30% of this. So this is going to take us 3 weeks to complete. So it's going to take us a few weeks to complete. All right. So don't feel like you need to finish this week. You have time to make adjustments and everything. And then I'll help you out as you go through. Other than that, that's all I got. So just the discussion post and then the start of your character bust. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. We're excited to have you all here. Let's get week 2 started and let's do awesome. All right. See you soon. Take it easy. Bye-bye.